Whoa! We want to fly the DJI Avata 360 through this sports car and then chase the whole car and make a 360 video. So basically a video that you can watch 360 degrees on YouTube. We are here in Upper Austria, amazing location with this crazy car. So as mentioned, the idea is to put down the windows and take the drone and fly through, and we're gonna be sitting inside the car. So basically I'm gonna be sitting right beside Jerome. We've placed a 360 degree camera right here for the BTS, and I'm gonna be flying the drone live while we're driving. So it's gonna be really tricky because I'm not flying this drone with an FPV goggle. I'm gonna be flying it with the normal DJI controller. Unfortunately, DJI hasn't sent the FPV controller, so I have to stick with this controller. It's gonna be quite a big challenge. I hope to get that one really good, but when it works, it should be a really amazing video, especially with that 360 degree view. We're now gonna go down the road, start down there in the forest, and then drive all the way up here. Before we can start with the real video, we have to do a test run because we have to make sure that the drone fits through the windows. So we already put down the windows, but there's not too much space, especially when Jerome is sitting here and I'm gonna be sitting there. The space will be even less, but let's do the first test flight and then we go down the road and check if it works when we're driving.
Wow.
So ist relativ knapp bei der Nase, gell? Schau, oder? We have to try it. Let's see if it works. This is how to land a drone. We have to make sure that we sit all the way back there, because otherwise the nose will be a little bit destroyed. I mean, for mine it wouldn't be so bad, but for Jerome's maybe not. So, but let's check. Now we're gonna be driving down and then we check if it works, but it's really hard to focus on the framing of the drone and then fly through. It's much easier doing it with the FPV goggles. We just checked the footage. The stitching of the drone is a little bit hard, so sometimes the face is just cut in between, which looks quite funny. But anyways, we're now gonna be trying to drive down this mountain road, flying through the window, sitting right in here and doing all the things live. So I'm not standing outside, I'm flying the drone while sitting in the car. We might not be able to go full speed with the car because the drone is able to fly fast, but not that fast probably. But anyways, this is the road, so looks epic, and the video should also be really nice. Just have to make sure that we fit through this window. This is the final location. We're gonna be flying the drone through here, through the car, then all the way out here, and then the road up there. Should work, hopefully. 3, 2, 1, go. Und geht's. Wow. Okay, der Speed passt gut. Da komme ich noch. Das war richtig knapp. Geil. Alright, that looks nice. The drone is almost empty, but we need to get this shot. So let's drive back again. Anyways, we also do a shot down the road.
Wo ist mein Mund? Wo ist mein Mund hin? Wie irgendein Alien.
Alter, Junge.
Fuck.
Schau mal da. Bro.
Alter. Alter.
Was ist denn da los? We did 2 shots now. The second one was quite close with the face. Somehow the stitching is really hard. I hope to get rid of that in post. Anyways, we're now gonna be doing another one shot with the normal FPV drone with the 04A unit from DJI, and then you guys decide which one is better, which looks better. But anyways, it's really nice to try this, but it's so hard to fly with just the remote. Jerome does a really great job driving the car. It's amazing. Let's switch to the normal FPV drone. As mentioned before, we're now going to be doing the FPV shot with the DJI 04A unit, and also for the other video we need some sound effects. So I connected the DJI Mics Mini right on here. So as you can see, I just glued them down here, and so you can hear the sound of the engine. I'm gonna be recording everything on the smartphone. Works quite well. We're now gonna be going out down again, and with the FPV drone we can get a little bit more crazy because I can fly the drone much better with the FPV goggles. So yeah, let's get back again. Just prepared the next drone. This is the Beta FPV Pavo 20 Pro with the DJI 04A unit, and we're gonna be flying in 30 FPS, which is kind of tricky, but we did this the last time as well and it worked quite well. Location is the same, but we're gonna be flying in a little differently. Also flying through the window and then chasing up the mountain. The only downside is we are not able to tilt up the camera while we're flying, so we can't go that fast. But yeah, let's see. Today we're flying through a Skoda Octavia. Okay, just kidding, we're flying through a Lamborghini Euros. Jerome, you can get ready. We're flying through here, all the way. And now you can go. Let's go. Oh, nice. Close to him. That's good speed, a little bit slower. That's perfect. So I can keep up with the car. Oh, look at this car. A little bit slower, please. So I can go around. That is perfect. So I can get close again. Look at this car. Oh, sick. This is so sick. So Lamborghini, if you see that, you have to sponsor the next car. Oh my god. Nice. And then just stop in like 50 meters, like there. Okay, brake here, and I'm gonna fly through again. Look at this car. Oh my god. 650 horsepower Skoda Octavia. Now again. Oh wow. Nice, and now panorama. Sick, that's it. Perfect. Ich glaube, dass das so sick ist. Geil. Sick. Okay. Shot turned out amazing. It's just so much easier to fly the FPV drone in this case. Just because I can fly with the FPV goggles. You can also fly the Avata 360 with the FPV goggles, but DJI hasn't sent over the version with the FPV goggles. So you've seen the video, now you can decide which shot is actually cooler. Also make sure to watch the 360 video of the DJI Avata 360. Thanks also to Jerome from LRS Rentals. I'm gonna blend that in here. If you're ever in Salzburg, make sure to rent Lamborghini Urus and also go on this road. It's amazing. And yeah, hope to see you soon on this channel again. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. My nose is still here, but a little bit less would also be nice.